everyone, this is Aaron Forster with Aaron's Eccentric Garage, and I'm actually on one of my favorite drives in the state of Arizona. This is Route 88, also known as the Tortilla Flats Drive. Now normally I would go on a drive just all by myself, but today I decided to bring a little bit of company. The Tortilla Flat Drive up Route 88 is 17 plus miles of beautiful canyon driving. Whether it's a Sunday cruise or a spirited drive, you'll be sure to enjoy the experience. Ultimately, this drive ends up at the tiny town of Tortilla Flat, population of 6 people. In addition to the saloon and restaurant, you can expect to hear live music on the weekends as well.